Practice 4.2. Move the constant to the right and the variable to the left, in which the explanation speed is moderate. Please try to solve these two equations while the video is paused and then come back. Well, I'm back. In solving equation A, I've got a couple of things to do. I have to move this -2 essentially to the right. I have to eliminate it. I also need to bring this -5x over to here. And I'm going to do that in two steps as follows. I will begin by making a 0. -2 and +2 will make a 0. So I'm going to add 2 to both sides, never forgetting to add them to both sides. So here is my 0. And so what I can get in the next line is 7x plus 0, and I don't write that 0, equals -5x plus 36. This is a simpler equation, but we're not there yet. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add 5x to both sides. And when I do, it will eliminate an x term on the right-hand side. Now, 7x and 5x is like 7 plus 5x. It's 12x. On the right-hand side, this is gone because I made it into a 0. I'm simply left with 36. Well, we're just about there. 12 times a number is 36. I suppose you could guess and check. Let's just show the technique algebraically. I will not divide by 3. Where'd that 3 come from? What I'll do is divide by 12. Because 3 is the answer, isn't it? Anyway, 12 divided by 12 is 1, leaving me with x, and 36 divided by 12 is 3. That's it. You could place a 3 back into the equations to verify that it's true. Let's go over to this next one. I'm going to speed it up a little by subtracting 3 from both sides. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to add I'm going to add 3x to both sides. Here, combining into one step what I did in 2 steps at the left. -7x and 3x is -4x plus 0 is equal to 0. And 17 and -3, or 17 minus 3, is 14. Well, we're just about there. -4x divided by -4, 14 divided by -4. On the left, I have a 1, so it's just x. On the right, I see a common factor. 4 and 14 are both divisible by 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. -4 divided by 2 is -2. So I've got a positive 7 over -2, which I can write as -7 over 2, or if you wish, write it as -7 over 2. But don't write it as 7 over -2. That's considered bad form. So I hope that made sense. Thanks very much.